Are you ready to take your BMX skills to the next level? Choosing the right BMX bike can make all the difference in your riding experience. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 BMX bikes on the market today. Fit Bike Company, Series 22, Kink Curb, Haro Downtown 20, Sunday Soundwave Special, and Subrosa Salvador. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, these bikes offer the performance and durability you need to enjoy every ride. Let's dive in and find the perfect BMX bike for your adventures. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fit Bike Company, Series 22. The Fit Bike Company Series 22 is a top-tier BMX bike designed for serious riders who demand performance and style. This bike stands out with its sleek design and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for street riding and park sessions. Fit Bike Company has built a reputation for quality, and the Series 22 continues that legacy with a bike that's as functional as it is stylish. Key features: the Series 22 features a robust chromoly frame that provides both strength and lightweight performance. With a 21-inch top tube and an integrated headset, it offers precise handling and stability, essential for tricks and jumps. The bike comes equipped with 20-inch wheels and high-quality, sealed bearings that enhance smoothness and durability. Additionally, the Series 22 has a 25:9 gearing ratio, making it ideal for both acceleration and maintaining speed during rides. Benefits and usage: the Fit Bike Company Series 22 is designed for those who want to push their limits, whether in the park or on the streets. Its responsive handling allows for quick turns and precision landing during tricks. The bike's geometry is tailored to provide an optimal balance between comfort and performance, making it suitable for both casual rides and intense sessions. Riders can enjoy a smooth experience, whether they're grinding rails or soaring off ramps. Usability: this BMX bike is user-friendly, making it a great option for riders of all skill levels. The setup is straightforward, with minimal assembly required upon arrival. Fit Bike Company includes user-friendly instructions, allowing new riders to get started quickly. Its geometry is forgiving enough for beginners while still offering the responsiveness that experienced riders crave. Durability: built to withstand the rigors of BMX riding, the Fit Bike Company Series 22 features high-quality components that enhance its longevity. The chromoly frame is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring the bike can handle the toughest tricks and terrains. Additionally, the bike is backed by a solid warranty, demonstrating Fit Bike Company's confidence in its durability and performance. In the second spot, we have Kink Curb. The Kink Curb is a popular entry-level BMX bike that delivers exceptional performance at an affordable price. This bike is specifically designed for new riders who want to start their BMX journey without compromising on quality. The Kink Curb combines durability and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for beginners looking to explore their potential in the sport. Key features: the Kink Curb features a durable steel frame that can withstand the rigors of daily use. It has a 20.5-inch top tube, making it a comfortable size for younger riders and those just starting. The bike is equipped with 20-inch wheels and a simple single-speed drivetrain, allowing for a straightforward riding experience. Additionally, the Kink Curb comes with Kink's proprietary components, including a soft padded seat and wide handlebars for better control. Benefits and usage: this bike is designed for versatility, making it suitable for street riding, park use, and cruising around the neighborhood. The Kink Curb allows new riders to build their confidence while developing essential skills. Its lightweight design helps riders maneuver easily, whether they're learning tricks or navigating tight spaces. As a result, this bike can grow with the rider, adapting to various riding styles as their skills improve. Usability: the Kink Curb is designed for easy assembly and maintenance, making it a perfect option for beginners. The bike arrives almost fully assembled, requiring minimal setup before hitting the streets. Its user-friendly features and responsive handling make it accessible for riders of all ages. The straightforward design encourages new riders to explore BMX without feeling overwhelmed by complicated components. Durability: constructed with a robust steel frame and high-quality parts, the Kink Curb is built to last. It can handle daily rides and the inevitable bumps and scrapes that come with learning new tricks. The bike's components are designed to be durable, ensuring that riders can focus on honing their skills without worrying about constant repairs. This durability makes the Kink Curb a smart investment for those just starting their BMX journey. Coming in at number 3 is the Haro Downtown 20. The Haro Downtown 20 is a versatile BMX bike that caters to both beginners and experienced riders. Known for its solid construction and stylish design, this bike offers a great balance of performance and aesthetics. Haro has been a leader in the BMX community for decades, and the Downtown 20 continues this tradition by providing a bike that is both functional and fun to ride. Key features: the Haro Downtown 20 features a lightweight aluminum frame with a 20.5-inch top tube, making it easy to handle for riders of varying sizes. The bike is equipped with 20-inch wheels and high-impact tires, providing excellent traction and stability. The Downtown 20 also includes a sealed bottom bracket and integrated headset for improved durability and maintenance. Additionally, it features a front and rear U-brake system for reliable stopping power. Benefits and usage: the Haro Downtown 20 is perfect for riders looking to explore different BMX disciplines, whether it's street riding, park sessions, or dirt jumping. Its responsive geometry allows for easy maneuverability, making it suitable for tricks and jumps. Riders can expect a comfortable experience on the bike, thanks to its well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, accommodating various riding styles and preferences. Usability: the Haro Downtown 20 is designed with ease of use in mind. Its assembly process is straightforward, with all necessary tools included in the package. The bike's user-friendly components allow new riders to feel confident while learning to navigate their surroundings. The geometry and weight distribution also contribute to a stable riding experience, making it easy for riders to gain confidence. Durability: built to endure the challenges of BMX riding, the Haro Downtown 20 features a sturdy frame and high-quality components that can withstand regular use. The aluminum construction offers a balance between weight and strength, allowing for long-lasting performance. Riders can trust that this bike will remain reliable through countless adventures, making it a wise investment for both new and experienced BMX enthusiasts. Taking our 4th spot is Sunday Soundwave Special. The Sunday Soundwave Special is a premium BMX bike designed for riders who demand the best in performance and style. This bike features high-end components and an innovative design, making it a top choice for those looking to take their BMX skills to the next level. The Soundwave Special is known for its smooth ride and responsive handling, catering to serious riders who want a bike that can keep up with their ambitions. Key features: the Sunday Soundwave Special boasts a high-quality chromoly frame with a 21-inch top tube, providing strength and stability for advanced riding. It is equipped with 20-inch wheels and features Sunday's signature geometry for optimized performance. The bike includes a complete set of premium parts, including a sealed bearing headset, a fully sealed rear hub, and Odyssey tires that offer excellent traction and durability. Benefits and usage: this bike is perfect for riders who are serious about their BMX skills and want to perform at their best. Its responsive design allows for precise handling during tricks and jumps, giving riders the confidence to push their limits. The Sunday Soundwave Special is suitable for various riding styles, whether it's street riding, park sessions, or racing, making it an excellent all-around option for dedicated BMX enthusiasts. Usability: the Sunday Soundwave Special is designed with experienced riders in mind, featuring components that are intuitive and easy to use. The bike's geometry provides a comfortable riding position, allowing for extended sessions without discomfort. Additionally, its design minimizes maintenance needs, so riders can spend more time riding and less time worrying about repairs. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the Sunday Soundwave Special is designed to withstand the demands of advanced BMX riding. The chromoly frame and premium components ensure longevity, providing riders with a dependable bike for years to come. Riders can trust that this bike will perform reliably, even under the most challenging conditions, making it a valuable addition to their BMX arsenal. And finally, at number 5, we have Subrosa Salvador. The Subrosa Salvador is a versatile BMX bike designed for riders of all skill levels. Known for its quality construction and stylish design, the Salvador offers a solid foundation for anyone looking to explore the world of BMX. This bike combines performance and affordability, making it an excellent choice for new riders and those looking for a reliable ride. Key features: the Subrosa Salvador features a durable steel frame with a 20.5-inch top tube, making it comfortable for younger riders and those just getting started. It includes 20-inch wheels with smooth rolling tires for easy maneuverability. The bike is equipped with a single-speed drivetrain and a front brake system for reliable stopping power, ensuring a smooth riding experience. Benefits and usage: the Subrosa Salvador is perfect for riders who want to develop their BMX skills without the pressure of advanced performance. Its straightforward design makes it ideal for street riding and casual sessions, allowing riders to build their confidence gradually. The bike's geometry offers stability, making it easy to learn new tricks and techniques as riders progress in their BMX journey. Usability: the Subrosa Salvador is designed with ease of use in mind. Its assembly process is simple, allowing riders to get started quickly without frustration. The bike is also lightweight, making it easy to handle for riders of all ages. This user-friendly design encourages new riders to explore BMX without feeling overwhelmed, providing a comfortable introduction to the sport. Durability: constructed with a strong steel frame and reliable components, the Subrosa Salvador is built to last. It can withstand the challenges of regular riding and the inevitable bumps that come with learning new tricks. The bike's durability ensures that riders can focus on honing their skills without worrying about constant repairs, making it a smart investment for those new to BMX. Choosing the right BMX bike is essential for enhancing your riding experience and developing your skills. From the high-performance Fit bike company, Series 22 to the budget-friendly Subrosa Salvador, there's a BMX bike for everyone in this lineup. We hope this review has helped you find the perfect bike to suit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy riding!